To me, the Jordan 1 is like, it's like a gentrified shoe. What's going on, world? It's your boy Zay, back with another sneaker review. And today I'm blessing y'all. Cause usually, you know, I would have kept these to myself, but I was like, you know what? Sharing is caring. To all my Jordan fans out there, you know what I mean? Shout out to y'all. We have been buying Jordan since day one. You know, Jordan is life at this point. But these right here, these are, I mean, I call these the, I know you ain't got these. These are the, where you get those from. You know, these are the, when I wear these out, people tend to look at their shoes, then look at mine, then start to rethink about their shoes. These them ones. Man, hope y'all ready for this. All right. Boom. Boom, please do not pee your pants, please. Yes, Lord. Yes, Jordan 3s. And I know y'all ain't got these. Like, I know for a fact, nobody has these. Impossible. It's impossible. Like, it's literally impossible. If you do have these, holla at me, please. Holla at me, because I need to know who you are. Shout out to my boy, Stan Flu. If y'all know who that is, oh my God, please just look at the goal, you know what I mean? And then look at the ball at the end with the jump man. Look at jump man. Wow. Shout out to my boy Stan Flu. Straight from Paris. He is a amazing designer, sneaker designer. He does amazing work on sneakers. I was hollering at him and I was like, yo, I need something. I need something. And he says, I got you. And boy, oh boy, did he. I mean, and I'm a Jordan fan. You know, growing up, it's funny though, growing up, like my parents refused to buy me Jordans. They was like, oh, you're just gonna get them dirty. Oh, you know, your shoes gonna get dirty. They're gonna get messed up. Gave me every excuse not to buy me the damn Jordans. You know, I go to school, everyone got the Jordans on. I don't got the Jordans. You know, oh, you could run fast, you could jump higher than Jordans. It's like, what, really? So, you know, couldn't cop the Jordans. Here I am, a grown man now, buying just Jordans. It's quite ridiculous. But these I hold very dear to my heart, because these are just amazing. Like, don't worry, I'm gonna do a detailed look on these just so you guys can really get an idea of how hard these are. Like, I've only worn these out maybe like, what, 2 times? And every time I wear these out, people are just like flabbergasted. Like, where did you get those shoes from? And I don't tell them, you know? But yeah, these are hard. My first pair of Jordan 3s was the 2007 Fire Reds. I had those. And I wore those to the ground till the midsole started to come off. You know what I mean? And yeah, and I've had other pairs of J's, you know, but 11s, 10s. I just started getting into the 4s. Might be a little bit of hype, honestly. What else I get? 4s, 3s, 5s. I had the Fire Reds. Y'all remember the Fire Red pack that came out? It was the black 5s. It was that box, huge box. And you got the Retro 5, you got the, it was the 3M material that if you took a picture with the flash on, the shoe turned white. And then they also had the Fire Red pack. I was in college when those came out. And let me tell you, I had to starve for like, I don't even know how long, bro. Like, I was eating so much ramen, but I was so proud to get those shoes. And then the crazy story is like, years passed, I beat the black ones to the ground. And then I had the audacity to sell my Fire Reds because like I'm a sell the Fire Reds. I wasn't wearing them. Like, I was afraid to wear them. I was like, they're so dope. I don't want to get them dirty. So I was like, I would never wear that shoe. Tell me why I had the nerve to sell my Fire Reds to try to get some YSL shades. I sell the Fire Reds, and till this day, I don't know what happened to the money. I didn't even get the shades. That till this day remains a mystery to me. Like, I would still have them. Never bought the shades. But back to these. I know y'all ain't got these. These are amazing. I love these. These are probably my most coveted sneaker. I think so. Yeah, definitely my most coveted. Just like that color. Like, look at the color palette, you know, with the tan, then the pink, then the purple. you know, and then like how we just put his logo right here, the gold accent, like that's so hard. Yeah, man, shout out to my boy Stan Flu. Yeah, amazing, sick shoe. I've been wearing Jordans for a long time now, you know. Everybody wear Jordans, you know. Jordan is Jordan. But yeah, man, let me know in the comments what's your guys' favorite Jordan. Let me know. Y'all rock with the 3s, 1s. I don't like 1s. I'm sorry. My honest opinion, and I don't really care who takes offense to this, but like, to me, the Jordan 1 is like, it's like a gentrified shoe. Like, because first off, more people even wearing Jordan 1s, really. Like, no one's really even rocking the 1s. Especially when I was growing up, like, no one's rocking 1s. Like, everyone was rocking like 12s and stuff like that, 13s. But like, now the 1s have become like this thing, and everyone wears them. And I'm just like, yo, like, people with no swag, no sauce, think they could just pick up a pair of 1s, and now they got swag, they got sauce. It's crazy. But yeah, man, you will never see me, you will never see Zay in a pair of retro 1s ever. It's a very gentrified shoe. Y'all can have that, keep it, take it, like, don't, yeah, I don't want that. But these 3s, if you rock 3s, you got good taste. You know what I mean? Like, and I'm not saying just because these are 3s, I'm just saying like 3s are a dope shoe. You know what I'm saying? 3s are a dope shoe. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this episode, man. I just had to show y'all these because I know y'all don't have these. I know y'all can't get these. So I was like, let me just show them, man. Again, shout out to my boy Stan Flu from Paris. Oh my God. This shoe took so long to get, y'all. Like, I was, every day, I was just checking my email, like, did it ship yet? Did it ship yet? And then when it finally shipped, you know, you got through customs, it has to go through so much stuff. This shoe took like a month to get, like every day. Like, I was just like, yo, when am I gonna get the shoe? When am I gonna get the shoe? I know I probably pissed them off. Like, I'm over here DMing like, yo, what's going on with the shoes, going on the shoe, checking the tracking every other day. But boy, when I got them, it was like when Mufasa held Simba up, you know what I mean? Like, that was the moment I had with this shoe. You know, only wore them twice. Cause this isn't the shoe that you would wear every day. You know what I mean? Like, this is a stepper. This is when you wear these out when you're really trying to step, when you're really trying to make a statement. You know what I mean? Because again, when you wear these out, like, head's gonna turn. Because people just don't have these. It's impossible. Damn near one-on-one. I would think so. You know, he has a pair actually. So no, 2 pairs made. He actually got a pair and I got a pair. So we only 2 dudes with this sneaker, with this colorway of the Jordan 3. Let me know what y'all think. Drop a comment. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all some detailed pics. I'm actually showing what it looks like on foot so y'all can get a good idea. Outfit choice to wear with these. You know, it's up to you. Like, usually when I wear them, I wear like some blue jeans, some light blue jeans with them. Maybe like a hoodie, you know, something to either like match like the purple or maybe the pink. Like, I got this, I'll show y'all. I got a pink Bape shirt, and sometimes I like throw that on with it with just some light jeans. You know what I mean? Or, you know, just fuck it, just throw on all black with it and just rock out, you know? But yeah, shit, that's it for today. See y'all next time. Peace.